Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change home screen in Redmi. So to start, you can launch your home screen, then make the following pinch and swipe and launch the home screen settings. From here you can adjust the transition effects. You can also change the default home screen, as well as hide or show text. Like here, for example, like that. Then you can also change the home screen layout, decide to fill cells of uninstalled apps or do not do that, lock or unlock the home screen layout. You can also open the more section and, customize your home screen settings even further. If you would like to change the home screen wallpaper, instead of a cog icon, here tap on the little picture or gallery icon. Now select your wallpaper either through the Themes app or through your gallery, which I do not see the obvious button for here, but that's fine. You can still change your home screen wallpaper by simply, first of all, let me revert the changes I made previously, by simply opening your gallery app, then open the picture that you would like to select as a wallpaper. Now tap at those three dots and choose the Set as Wallpaper option. Now press Apply, and in the pop-up menu that follows, simply choose the Set as Home Screen option. And well, as you will see now, that's it, even though this home screen is definitely cursed, but still, that's how you change your home screen. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, so thanks for watching, and bye-bye.